All right, good people, we got two $99 specials here. We got a 19 Chevy Malibu and a 22 Nissan Altima. The Altima went 20% on the 4 doors in the back, and the Malibu went 15% 4 doors in the back. Once again, this is a $100 special. So yeah, let's see what these cars look like from the inside. All right, we are inside of the 2022 Nissan Altima. So we did 20% 4 doors in the back window with our $100 special. This is the standard film. So this is what it looks like when you're sitting inside of the vehicle looking out. Once again, people, you do not, and I repeat, do not need ceramic tint to be able to see out clearer from the inside of the vehicle looking out. So once again, stop believing all the nonsense. Here's your proof. Standard tint, $99 deal, clear as day looking out. All right, so let's see what it looks like from the outside. All right, here's what you get from the outside. 20% 4 doors in the back window. Once again, this is our $100 special. So let's do a quick walkthrough. All right, and here she is. 20% standard film on this 22 Nissan Altima. Let's check out the Malibu. All right, we are inside of the 2019 Malibu. Once again, 15% 4 doors in the back window. Standard film, clear, looking out the windows. Clear, all right? You do not, once again, do not need ceramic to be able to see out clearer from the inside of the vehicle looking out. All right, that is all nonsense. Stop believing it. Here's your proof. Once again, I'm going to keep making these videos until you guys understand that what they're telling you, what these tint shops are telling you, is all bullshit. So let's see what it looks like on the outside. All right, 15% on the Malibu, standard film, $100 special. You don't need ceramic, once again, to be able to see out clearer from the inside, or it looks darker from the outside looking in. So here's your proof, all right? I want to keep stressing this to you guys. So let's do a quick walkthrough. $15% standard film, $100 special. What do you get with the $100 special? If it's eligible, all the sides in the back window, the front windshield is not included. You must, and I must stress this, you must bring us a clean vehicle. If you do not bring us a clean vehicle, the job will not come out the way that you want. So to check and see if your vehicle is eligible, it's simple. What you do is just give us a call at 856-577-4119. Give us the year, make, and model, and we'll let you know if the car is eligible or not. If your vehicle is not eligible, people, please do not ask me questions like, why is it not eligible? What cars are eligible? If you give us a year, make, and model, if it's eligible, we're going to tell you. If it's not eligible, either pay the regular price or keep it moving. If you are in the market for window tinting, we are those tints located at 6830 North Crescent Boulevard at Pennsauken. And our phone number, once again, is 856-577-4119. See you guys on the next one.